Hello, Danny, S'mores, and Klearview. You didn't get any lunches today.
Hi, Squidward.
Hello there, Squidward. We didn't get any lunches today, but we gotta wait out to get ready for lunches starting on Monday.
Yeah, me and Danny didn't get our lunches if my mom didn't give me for lunch tomorrow. I going to be a bad day from school until get back to school starting on Monday.
Yeah, I've been great with all the crew. Squidward, cute Tentacles. What are we going to do now?
Maybe we have a good idea, Danny and Ro.
What is it, Squidward?
We're going to pull the fire alarm because the lunch lady didn't get any lunches so much.
Yes, we will go to pull the fire alarm. Just you and me and Danny. And the lunch girl didn't get lunch to us.
You always argue with me.
Sure, Squidward. We go do it this time. Oh, you, me, or Klearview.
Sure. So let's go do it.
We're here right now. Danny, hop on me.
I'm on it.
Oh, my God. Ro, you will fall to the fire alarm.
Okay, I can do it. We got to scram.
Let's get out before I hurt my ears.
I saw you for you haven't done it for pulling the fire alarm. You're expelled. Get out now.
Danny Suarez, how dare you pull the fire alarm with Roa Klearview, Squidward Tentacles. That's it. You're grounded for 2 months. Go to your room right now.
Squidward Tentacles. How dare you pull the fire alarm with Roa Klearview and Danny Suarez. That's it, you're grounded until you stop making a troublemaker. Go to your room right now.
Roga Klearview. How dare you pull the fire alarm with Squidward and Danny? That is it. You're grounded for 6 weeks.
Go to your room right now and go to bed.